Hello, my name is Michaela. I am the head bartender at Afterlight. Today we are going to be making the hair of the moose. We're going to start off by chilling our glass, just to make sure that the cocktail remains cold after we put it in. First Canadian ingredient is Nova Scotia blueberries. So we're going to add a few to the bottom of our tin. Next, we're going to add in about ½ ounce of ginger. Fresh ginger is always best, fresh juice is always best, and then we're gonna meddle that together. Take out your aggression on the blueberries. Next, we're gonna add in our maple syrup from Ontario. We're gonna add in about ½ ounce of that as well. Then we're gonna add in about ½ ounce of freshly squeezed lemon, none of the store-bought, respect yourself. And last, we're gonna add in some Canadian whiskey. This is a choose your own adventure. I would recommend about 1.5 ounces, but you know, do whatever feels right. After that, we're just gonna add some ice and give it a shake. Empty your glass, and then you're just gonna pour it right on top. I've put some candied ginger and some blueberries on a skewer, and that's gonna be our garnish. And that is the hair of the moose.